What is an investment? Simply put, an investment is any money you put into something with the hope of seeing a return. It could be in the form of financial returns, such as interest payments or stock market gains, or it could be non-financial rewards, like educational advancement or career growth. When it comes to investing, there are some factors that you need to take into account. These include things like your financial situation, your risk tolerance, and the potential returns on different types of investments. One important consideration when deciding whether or not to invest is the current state of the economy. Is the stock market performing well? Is there a strong demand for certain products or services, which could indicate that investing in those areas could lead to a good return? Is there political or economic uncertainty that might make investors wary of putting their money into certain investments? Another important factor is your financial situation. Do you have enough money to invest right now, or do you need to save up for a while longer before taking the plunge? Is your job secure, or do you need to be prepared for potential financial setbacks in the future? Of course, when deciding whether or not to invest, it's also important to consider your risk tolerance. Do you have a high tolerance for risk and are comfortable with potentially losing some of your money if your investment doesn't perform as expected? Or do you prefer more conservative investments with lower risk but may also provide less of a return over time?